Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Paris Physiotherapy. So today I just want to talk something about the eye strain. What is eye strain and why we get eye strain? First of all, I would like to ask you people if whether you have subscribed my channel or not. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel for further videos and much more informations. If you like my video, again like it and share it as usual. So yeah, what is eye strain? So nowadays we are at home because of lockdown. This COVID-19 has made all of us a long weekends and long holidays we got, but still we are on work at home also. So we are for a long time we are having a computer in front of us, or if not we are having TV in front of us because we don't have other work to do. So a long sitting with a computer or a TV can lead to eye strain. Other than that, if you are driving for a long, if you're watching something for a long, if you are reading for a long, if you're writing for a long, this can also lead to an eye strain. So actually, what is eye strain? See, eye strain is not a disease, but you can say it is a symptom. Like our body, if you're working for a long time, we get strain, like a muscle strains, we get pains in the muscles, we are not able to do further more work. Same way, our eyes also get tired of seeing something regularly, or watching something regularly, or reading a book regularly, driving for a long regularly, seeing in front of a TV regularly, or whether it's a computer or a mobile for a long time. We all know there are some of the rays from the mobiles and TV and computer. Same way, the rays affect our eyes. Same way, the other things what we are doing for a long time, the muscles of eye also get a strain. They also get tired. So nothing. The strain word means the tired. So yeah, so in this COVID-19, this lockdown, we are usually at home and we are spending a lot of time in reading a books or watching a TV, doing a work from home on the laptop or seeing our mobile phones. So this can lead to your eye pains, eye strain. So what are the symptoms of eye strain? So the symptoms maybe you will get water, dispatch of water from your eyes. Sorry for this environmental noise. I'm in my balcony and there are some children are playing town. So sorry for that. So first thing, you will be having a liquid or a water will be coming out from your eyes regularly. You can having an irritation in your eyes, maybe sometime like itching in your eyes for a few seconds or few minutes, or you can have, you feel like your eyes are warm and you feel so tired, you don't want to look anything, you want to close your eyes, you don't want to work more. You can have even a headache. If you have a eye strain, it can lead to the headache also. So in all these type of conditions, yeah, and the redness of your eye. So in all these type of conditions, the first thing you have to do is you have to go and have a plenty of water and you should wash your eyes with a cold water. So we should not strain our eyes, as eyes are so beautiful and so mind-blowing organ of a body. See, there is a some saying in English that if there is no eye, the world is not beautiful. Yeah, that is true. So eyes are most delicate organ of a body and we should not strain our eyes. So what we can do, we can't stop working, we can't stop seeing mobile. See, if you will not see mobile in my video, you can't watch. So you have to see mobile. We can't stop reading, we can't stop watching TV. But yeah, we can do certain sort of exercises which can help in reducing the eye strain, or which can help you to prevent from the eye strain. Okay, so we can just move it. I'll just tell you some points first and then we'll go to the exercises. So the first thing what you can do, early in the morning you can have a water of maybe you must be knowing about soft, what we are eating in Hindi we used to tell it soft. Okay, so you can have the water, you can just put it at the night, overnight you can put that water. Early in the morning you can drain that water, and that cold water you have to just wash your eyes first in the morning. So that will help you to relax your eye a lot and refresh your eye. Even it will help you to make your eyesight more. Okay, so first thing in the morning you can go and have that water and you can just wash your face or wash your eyes with that water. Second thing you can do, each after 2 or 3 hours you can go and have a cold water and you can just wash your eyes. Just do that thing each after 2 to 3 hours. If you're working regularly, it is more important, so you can go with that. Other than that, what all things we can do is while doing a work or while watching a TV for a longer time, each after 5 minutes, you can have a nice blink, or you can just have a rest to your eyes while keeping your eyes closed for at least 3 to 4 seconds. Okay, so each after 5 minutes you have to take a break while seeing regularly to the screen, and you can have your eyes closed for a certain period of time, or you can just take and rub your hands and warm your hands properly and put it to your eyes. Just wait for a few seconds and relax. This will relax your eye muscles a lot. Other than that, you can do one thing. You have to take a break after 5 minutes and you can just look to a screen which is of a green color, or you can just see the environmental green things. This environmental green things is a God-given gift for our eyes, that is a soothing effect they'll give to our eyes. So this is very important. You can do each after the 5 minutes. Even if you're in an office, you can just take a break after 5 minutes and you can just go and see some environmental, like it should be green in color, not in a multicolors, but yeah, it should be natural and green color. Green color is a color which used to soothe your eyes. So you can just look to the environmental thing. If you can't have this thing around you or around your environment, you can just have a picture of an environmental good environment like greenery or something, and you can just stick near to your laptop or your workplace or something, or you can have a wallpaper on your laptop or your mobile phone so that you can just go and see it for a while. But avoid using the again mobile and laptops, because they have again that white color, you know, uh, very wide color that shines to your eyes and it used to strain your eyes. So this is the second. Other than that, we can do one thing. We can, in our mobile phone, even in some of the laptops also, we are getting an option for, you know, night eye or night care or eye care. Like there's some options are there. You can click on that. So it will give you, rather than a sharp white light, you will get something like yellowish or something like blue filter light. So it will soothe your eye rather than it will damage your eyes. Okay, so these are some of the points you can follow while you are working for a long time. So it is very important to take 5 minutes break each after your work. So after your 5 minutes, you can wash your eyes. You can see to the environment of which is green in color and which is natural like trees. Okay. Other than that, you can have a good, you know, friction in your hands, and then you can warm your eyes. So these are some of the things. Other than this, you have to get a blinking of your eyes, which is very important. Please don't try to look anything without blinking the eyes. The blinking is a very good and a natural process of cleaning the eyes and making your muscles relax. So it is very important to blink your eyes each after, you know, some seconds or each after minute. So you can go with this. Now we'll move to the exercises which you can do each after 5 minutes. So what exercises we can do? The first exercise I'll tell you, each after 5 minutes, you have to wide your eyes and you have to relax your eyes. So how you are going to do? Just look at my eyes. Right? So what I'm doing, I have taken a point. Just pick a point on your wall or something you can choose. And then you have to wide it. You have to see, and then you have to shrink and see. You have to wide your eyes and see. You have to shrink your eyes and see. Wide and shrink. This is the first exercise. The other exercise, the second exercise we have to go, you can take your finger or you can take any wall pen or pen, something, and you have to just keep your finger to your nose tip. Okay, and you have to just look at to that tip. Try to look at it, and slowly you have to move your finger towards you, and you have to straightway you have to look to the tip of your finger, and you should not move your eyeball here and there. Just look at the tip of your finger, move along your eyes walls with your finger. Okay, so this is the next exercise which is going to relax your eye muscles. Now we move to the next exercise, that is a third exercise. Here you have to move your eyeballs all through, like you have to see the up, the sideways and the down, but very slowly. All the exercise what you're doing, it should be very slow. Okay, so what you have to do, look up, look side, look down, look side, look up, and relax. Again, up, side, down, side, up, relax. So while doing, you should not move your head like this. Okay, you have to just move your eyeball. How you have to do it? You have to just be straight, look up, side, down, side, up, relax. Got it? So this is the other exercise. Now we'll move to the next exercise where you have to just blink your eyes 3 to 4 times and then you have to relax. And this you have to repeat at least for 5 times. Like we are doing a breathing exercise. What you have to do? You have to blink it and you have to relax. So we'll blink it for 5 times. Okay? Relax, 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 relax. Got it? So this is very easy exercises these are which you can do while doing your work for a longer time. Just take 5 minutes rest and you can do this exercise. All the exercise you can at least do for 5 times, whether that is a rotation or a single fan exercise. 5 times you can do all the exercise, and it is very important to wash your eyes. Now the other thing what you can do is whenever you are feeling a lot of tiredness, if you're feeling a lot of tired, your eyes are feeling a lot of tired, you can even go with some of your neck stretch and your back stretches. So now you will ask me how it relate to the eyes. Yes, it relate to the eyes because if our neck muscles are strained, see while you're working on a laptop or something, this is very normal thing, and I think most of the physiotherapists or the doctors must have been told you that while you're doing a work for a longer time, you are going to get your shoulder pain or your back pain or your trapezitis or your trapezius pain or your neck pain or your head pain. If you're going to strain your back muscles, your neck muscles, your shoulder muscles, your automatically you're going to have your headache. If you're going to have your headaches, then why not your eyes are going to pain? See, whether you're having a normal headache also, your eyes are sometimes paining. So it can also lead to that. So if you're going to do certain neck stretches like just normal neck stretch, which I have told you already in a video is there. In the description box, you will get the link for the video for neck and the shoulder stretches. You can just take two or one stretch, that is more than sufficient. I'll teach you only 2 stretches which you can go with. So you have to just keep your hand back and you have to just stretch your neck. Okay, this simple neck stretch and the trapezius stretch. Okay, so this is your tricep stretch, sorry. So this tricep stretch and your neck stretch is also going to help you. So this also you can include in your eye exercises along with each after the 5 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes is a more than sufficient time to look to your screen continuously. So better not to look your screen continuously, and you should take care of your eyes. Okay, so if you like my video, don't forget to like it and share it with your cousins or your friends so that they can also get these simple exercises and they can start avoiding their eye strain. Okay, if you like my channel, if you like the information which I share with you, you can just subscribe my channel for further videos. And if still you want any doubts you have, anything you want to ask, or if something you feel which I am not right by saying, you can just comment me in the comment box. I'll definitely going to reply it. Other than that, if you want to consult me about physiotherapy or you want any physiotherapy treatment, you can just contact me on a given number which is already given on this link was there in the screen was going down. If it is not, you can just go and see in my description box. You can see that number. It is online consulting number for me. You can just call me or you can WhatsApp me. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care of your eyes and take care of yourselves. Be safe, be at home. Take care. Bye.